All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we got mail call. All right, first up from Clay Marquise. He sent me a nice little package. I got it before Christmas. The Case for Christ, The Case for Faith by Lee Strobel. He sent me a book. A nice little card. Yes, Jesus is the reason for the season. Antique tractor catalog and a nice little organizer case along with a swivel air fitting. Thank you very much, Clay. I appreciate it. All right, next up, I got a Christmas card from Cody's Auto Diagnostics. Appreciate it, Cody. If you don't know Cody, go check out his channel. I put a link in the description or I'll pin a comment, but awesome dude. Go check out his channel. This next one is kind of special. It's from Andy Mechanic. If you don't know him, you probably know his Tool Girls. It's signed by Holly and Lily. So he sent me his calendar of the Tool Girls. So very cool, Andy. I appreciate it. Again, I will put a link to his channel, Andy Mechanic. All right, this last one is not, I didn't get it in the mail. This one was hand delivered to me by the infamous Robbie, my Matco dealer. He had a friend of his custom make it. I don't know if I can see it. How cool is that? Laser cut my logo. Very cool. Thank you very much, Robbie. I definitely appreciate it. Ow. Sorry, I had to put it down. It's a little heavy. And I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to put it yet. May go up in my house. It may get mounted on the wall over there. Not quite sure yet. It's kind of large in case you can't tell. But very cool. Appreciate it very much, Robbie. So, figured you guys would want to see some mail call. So, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.